So a relatively new building complex has come up called Park, and they actually have a parking garage. This is probably one of the only places I've actually seen that has thought about parking, like the fact that people own cars in this country. Seriously, there's one time I went to a luxury condo and they only had 30% parking for a luxury condo. If you can afford a luxury condo, you're gonna own more than one car. Anyways, so we're in the back of it. We're kind of on the Srinacaran Road. I'll obviously leave a Google Maps link. So let's see what's going on in this place. It's a bit sunny today. It's not crowded because it's the day after Songkran weekend ended. Next to the Mapo Hotel. Okay. Whiskey. Barber shop. Oh yeah, this one of these near Central Route 9. It's a Japanese pawn shop. I'm gonna take a walk through here. Over there, it's just all like kids' boutiques and looks like beauty clinics. Wow, this place is like twice as big as the one near Rama 9. That's a rarity, a Weber grill or something that looks like a Weber grill. Alright, let's see what this is about. That's funny. Well, I gotta say the prices are not really good. These are like brand new prices. So you're not gonna get a good deal on everything here. I assume that's a good deal. That's an expensive brand. Yeah, I'm not sure if these are a good deal. I mean, this is 2,000 baht and it's a generic brand, so you might be able to just buy a new one. Oh, musical instruments. Oh, that's a smart deal. Assuming they're safe, I don't know. So they do have a lot of name brand, like high-end stuff here, but I have no clue if that's a good deal because I don't buy stuff like this. I mean, it's a 8,000 baht T-shirt. Maybe it cost twice as much earlier. It's ridiculous. Well, this probably would have been 2,000, maybe 3,000 baht earlier, so that toy's a good deal. That's all I really know about toys. Well, I gotta say, I think these sunglasses are a good deal. Well, if you like handbags, seems to be the place to come. I'm pretty sure this is a pretty good deal. That's like 150 bucks for a Coach bag. So, they only sell genuine stuff at this place. I know this because I've sold stuff here. Not this one, but the Ramen 9 one. And they're pretty picky. Like, I brought them a genuine used Prada bag, and they wouldn't take it because it was all scratched up on the inside. I take it back. This is a counterfeit. I know this because I own the real one. And there's something missing on the packaging. A lot of information, and you can just tell the quality of this action figure, how it's painted poorly. So there are actually counterfeit items here, so keep that in mind. But this price reflects the counterfeit. This is also a counterfeit. So some counterfeit toys. So that probably means this is a counterfeit also. I bought a few of these counterfeit action figures, and they're definitely not as good as the real deal. They're sloppy. Alright, let's continue on. That Sushiro is always a popular place. There's always people waiting to eat there. Toasted buns. A Bosch store, eye doctor, and it's not fully populated. These places aren't even fulfilled yet, but they're coming. Seems to be some signage. Bathroom. Anyways, this guy's walking his dog around, so pet friendly, I guess. Pretty nice. Little stream. Yeah, still unpopulated. Uh-oh. It's a burger truck. Well, there's a whole other building over there, but it's unpopulated. I'm gonna have to try this out. Okay, pull out truffle burger.
Truffle.
Check up. So I guess this is an a la carte mukata. I'll take a quick stroll up here. Okay. Surprisingly, there's no fish in here. Not that I can see. It's pretty cool. By the way, right over there is one of the nicest pet hospitals or vets I've ever seen. It's like a 5-star hotel inside there. Ayatai 7. Alright, so this burger was 200 baht. The water was 15. They don't have anything but water. But this burger looks pretty nice right now. I mean, it's sizable. It's a double patty. Yep. Alright, so some sort of truffle sauce, of course, cheese, and 2 patties of meat, and some sort of special sauce on the bottom, and the lettuce as well. It looks nice and green. Alright, look at that. That's a nice, big burger. Oh yeah, that's good. The meat is nice and soft. Yeah, this is fantastic. Look at all that stuff dripping out. Looks like there's caramelized onions on the top. The utensils in those boxes. The bun is really soft. It's warm as well. This is a good ratio of meat to bread. That fly seems to want some. So anyways, it is a great burger truck. I might have to come back here one day just to eat the burgers. That is much better than fast food. Much better than Burger King and McDonald's here for sure. Okay. Well, that's a highlight right there. As far as this park place, I mean, it's nice. It's all brand new. It seems like a cool place to bring your pets or your kids. It's just that outdoor malls I don't think they do well. I mean, it's hot out here. It's freaking hot. So we'll have to see if this place succeeds, if it actually populates fully. Alright, well, with that said, I guess I'll see you at the next place. Thanks for watching today.